Today I am going to show you all how to make very simple, easy and tasty home style Kadai Paneer. So please note down the ingredients. For this we need paneer. Here I have taken 750 grams of paneer because I am going to make little more quantity. But you take paneer according to your requirement, whether you want 200 grams, 400 grams, 500, as much as you want. So I have taken 750 grams, cut it into small cubes. Again, shape you can cut according to your choice. You can also cut it in triangles, cubes, whatever you want. So this is 750 grams of paneer, 4 to 5 chopped onions. According to your requirement, you can reduce the quantity. If you're taking less paneer, you take less of onions. I have taken 4 to 5 very finely chopped onions. Tomato puree of 4 to 5 tomatoes. Capsicum, here I have taken washed and chopped them in these small square pieces. Not very big squares, but slightly small. Then we need red chili powder, coriander powder, dhania powder, salt, sugar, little bit of sugar. Sugar here is again optional. See, if your tomatoes are sour, then you need to add in a spoon of sugar or so. Otherwise, if they are on the sweeter side, you don't need to add this sugar. So this is optional. According to your taste, you can add sugar. Then here I have some cream, fresh cream. If you want to cut down on calories, you can also put little milk. It is not a must that you need to have this fresh cream for this paneer. Then here I have 1 or 2 bay leaves, few green cardamoms, cinnamon sticks, fresh green coriander. So these are the things. Now we'll start making a kadai, home style kadai paneer. A little oil in this fry pan. And one thing I forgot to tell you, friends, you can also take little cumin, jeera. We'll put in our cumin, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, our crushed green cardamoms, green elaichi. Now, after stirring it a little, we add in our chopped onions. Now we saute this onion till it is golden brown, and we will cook it on medium flame so that it is properly cooked. After 4 to 5 minutes, we'll cover it and we will cook it. We'll cover it and we will let it to cook on medium flame till it is golden brown in color. After that, we'll add on our spices. Onions are ready. Now we'll add red chili powder and we'll mix it so that onions take all the color of this red chili powder. I'm not going to use any turmeric in this. If you want, you all can use a little bit of turmeric if you want. But I've put red chili, Kashmiri red chili powder or Devi mirch. You get it easily in the market. Now, we add some salt as per our tastes. Dhania powder. I am adding slightly more because I've taken more quantity of paneer. Now, we'll mix it and we'll add our tomato puree. Now we will increase the flame and we'll cook it for a few minutes till our tomatoes are also cooked properly. See, after 3 to 4 minutes our tomatoes are also cooked. Now we'll put in this capsicum. Now it will take another 2 to 3 minutes for the capsicums to cook. So we will now cover it again for 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll let the capsicum to cook. After 3 to 4 minutes, our masala for the kadai paneer is ready. And now here we'll put little sugar. I am taking 2 small teaspoons because I've taken more quantity of paneer, so the quantity of masala is also more. But according to your masala, you reduce the quantity of sugar also. Half a spoon or 1 spoon according to your quantity and according to your taste also. So I've taken 2 small teaspoons of sugar here. Now we'll add in our cream or milk, whatever you want to use. Now one thing I would like to tell you all is, now this is the time we have to put in a paneer because the masala is ready. But as you put your paneer, don't cook your paneer after adding to the masala. Now masala is hot, off your gas and you gently mix it and cover it. Because if you cook paneer, it will get hard. So to avoid that, you should be careful. You heat your masala should be so well hot that your paneer will itself get hot and get cooked in that heat. So now see, I've mixed it. What nice color here, and it is very simple, very easy. You don't need to do any much labor in this of grinding or roasting your masalas, nothing. It's simple, easy and tasty. Now you cover it for 1 or 2 minutes. Let the paneer take all the taste of the masalas and it is ready. Now then we'll put it in a bowl and we'll serve it. I've taken out our paneer in this bowl and see here, so easy it was to make this. Very easy, very quick and very tasty home style kadai paneer. Hope you will all try this simple and easy recipe and enjoy your paneer. Thank you.